All right, good evening, everybody. So today we're going to look at your week ahead from March 20th. Just a few things on the radar that we kind of missed out on, but we didn't get close to. Euro USD, we came back up into the structure level. We didn't get back up into the level we wanted to. We have a sell stop placed up here. Just missed it the last couple days, so we're waiting to see if we can get back up to the top. Don't think we're actually going to get back up there, but we could get up there close. The only other trade that we're actually looking at is a trade we have on the US-Japan, and we have looking at the daily chart, and we go down to the hour chart. We have some structure we built up in here. We actually have a buy signal that we pulled off a day ago, and we've actually been holding it, and we're just kind of waiting to see what happens. Our stop loss has gone up to the top, so we've gone out through the structure zone, but we're going to go back up. We'll see where this plays out. This is going to be a short week this week because of it's only going to be about a 4-day trading week for us. Forex Factory has two big things coming out that we want to take a look at, that we want to make sure that we have on our radar. The first thing that we kind of see some movement on, we've seen some movement on in the past, is on the euro. Sometimes you get a movement on the business climate for German. We're going to talk about that with the DAX in just a second. Sometimes you don't. But as you can see, coming up towards the end of the week, we're on bank holiday for Good Friday. Pretty much throughout Europe, and a lot of the Americas as well are going to be out. Final GDP is going to be an issue because there'll be low volatility. So if you're going to trade the U.S. on Friday with the GDP, be careful of that because of the volatility issue that will be coming through. The only other two things we wanted to look at real quick are the DAX with that trade on the German business climate. We don't know where this is going to go, so we're just going to watch this structure level here, 9,800 on the DAX, and just kind of figure out what's going to go on with, are we going to come back down into here and go below 9,800, or are we going to go back up in this range? We actually came down in here a few days ago, if you remember. We actually sold this off into here, and actually sold it off, and came all the way down into this really small candle, and saw it hit the line, and we said, okay, we're going to get out. We haven't gotten back in this trade, but we're going to look for a new entry point for this sometime in the near future. The only other thing that popped up, which was kind of interesting if you're trading on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, is this stock, and we wanted to pull this up and show you. Because of the trades in iron ore in the recent weeks, we think that this is an interesting level to look at. You have a really big structure right here at 19 cents. This actually was a target on our thing when we came into the office this afternoon. We saw this, and we see a target right here at 19 cents. We could go all the way back up here, or we could see this fall all the way back down into the 8-cent range. If you're a junk stock trader or penny stock trader, this might be something fun for you to trade on for the week. But Alderon Iron Core, you see a move up here into structure at 19 cents. Just barely touch 19 cents. We hopefully it'll go higher. And stay in the 19 cents range and then go down, but you'll never know. This is actually the move from when we had the iron ore price last week and the spike back up, and then this was all this week in the movement around there. That's the only couple things we have on the markets, and again, make sure you know that Friday is a holiday pretty much everywhere in Europe and the Americas for Good Friday, so it'll be a 4-day trading week for everybody. We're probably only still going to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, actively looking for things to move in there. Monday will be an easy day in the markets. We don't expect much going on the 21st, I believe. Not much in the markets. Nothing with a red indicator do we have on Forex Factory anything soon. So that is our preview for the week for March 20th.